Hey guys, and today I have a new Mapmaker's Toolbox slash pack that does things nicely. It's the Easy Map Spawns. So what this means is that it allows you to easily make spawn points for your maps. And this can work in many different ways that we'll discuss, and I'll show you how to use it as well. But the core of it is that you can create maps, and then you can play the respawn function right here, and you will teleport to a random spawn in the specified map. So right now I'm in the red map, and it will teleport me to a random spawn. And then also you can pick what map. So if I do scoreboard players set at MS map 3, I will go to the green. And if I pick map 1, I will go to the blue. So let's go over how to download it. So there'll be a .zip file in the description that you can download. It might redirect you to my website if you're like playing in a newer version, because I do like to keep these packs up to date. So just drag it into your saves Datapacks folder, and then when you type reload, it will be installed. I haven't thrown on the boilerplate message for the easy stuff, so I'll do that in a sec. But if you want to pull up the menu, do scoreboard players set at MS menu 1 or trigger MS menu set 1. Okay. So then you click this and it will bring up all this information. So you have this menu, and you can do game rule send command feedback false if you want. It kind of helps make things look a little prettier in terms of you don't see the messages. So this is what the HUD looks like. So you have a couple options up here: previous map, next map, add new map, delete map. So you can delete things, add new ones. It tells you spawns. It has the name of the map and the ID number. So this is map 1, this is map 2, this is map 3, and it'll just cycle like that. So we're going to add a new map. So we'll just go to 3 and we'll click add new map. And now we have 4. It says 0 spawns, doesn't have a name. So to make a name, we're going to do this and title it demo. It also works. I'll even show you this. So you can do /set block, oak, sign, text 1, and you can do text, demo, color, yellow. So now you have that. So then when I go up to this and I click this, it'll bring up the text exactly how I have it there. So that lets you write it, and it gives you little hover tips on everything. It's very, very commented, and that's because I did this for a commission, so I had to make it very easy to use. He did give me permission to share it with people. So anyways, we have add spawn here, remove spawn, last spawn, remove nearest spawn, TP to nearest spawn, and show spawns. So show spawns is going to be the easiest one, the most useful one, and it'll show you where the spawns are. With particles, now if there's no spawns, it'll just put one right where you're standing, and that's, I guess you could call that a bug, but it's not a big deal. So we're going to put a spawn here, and here, and here, and it keeps rotation as well. So if I look straight down and click add spawn, the spawn will have the rotation. Now this one is gone. Okay, so now if I go here and I click add spawn, I'll make this one straight up. And now there's 2 spawns. Now you also notice that there's blue and there's green. Green is the last one you placed. So when you click remove last spawn, it will remove specifically the green one. So let's go ahead and add one more where I'm just looking straight. And I click add spawn. Okay, and then I'm going to accidentally add one over here. Okay, so I'm going to remove it. Now let's say that I accidentally removed this one, and I added one here, and I added one here. And I like the last spawn, but I want to remove this one. Well, I can use TP to nearest spawn to figure out what the nearest one is, just to be 100% sure. And then I can click remove nearest spawn, and it will remove the one that I'm standing next to. And that's pretty much it. Now you have to click show. You have to click the hide spawn. Click the hide spawns. If you don't do this, they'll always be there, and that's just an unnecessary load. So now if I hide them again and I play the respawn, it automatically sets my map score to whatever the one I'm editing. So if I click respawn, I'll go to different random ones here. Just like that. And that's pretty much it. Now, where the actual magic comes in, because I know that all of you are thinking, I could do this. I've made this before. This is where the magic comes in. Let me hit F3. How many entities do you see here? 0 out of 1. That means there is only the player. So this does map spawns without any entities. And that's why it's easy map spawns. That's why I made a pack for this, because I wanted to make a system where it takes 0 entities and has all these random map spawn stuff. And it's fairly efficient. If I do game rule send command feedback true, With 4 maps and 3 spawns, it takes about 90 to 100 commands to run, which is not that big a deal. If you know what it's actually doing, it's doing mostly scoreboard stuff. 90 to 100 commands is nothing, especially with the looping. But yeah, so it's quite efficient, and it also does it all in data storage. So if I do data get storage ms map, this is all the maps, and it saves them. So you have the name of the map, the ID of the map, and all the spawn points in it, and all their locations. And then you have all the maps in a formatted order from 1 to 4. Now I'm going to go ahead and delete the last map we just made, so you can see this. So I'm going to click delete, yes, and it takes me back to 3. So now if I do respawn, I'm at 3. And just like that. Now if you give them a value that doesn't exist, so if I give myself a map value of 4 and I play respawn, okay, I'll fix that, but it should just do nothing. It'll basically just do nothing, but I guess it went into an infinite loop, but I'll fix that. That's a simple case. But anyways, that's pretty much it for this pack, guys. The link will be in the description. There'll be a slight difference of there'll be a little welcome message when you install it for people in creative. But other than that, that's pretty much it. I wanted to get the recording out of the way. Anyways, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Peace.